Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing in and creating your profile so the app knows what to recommend. Enter your phone or email and confirm the OTP. Once done, fill the baseline health questions, age, weight, vitals, current medications, so the app can tailor plans. Make sure to enable permissions for notifications and optional health data sync. These let reminders and progress tracking work smoothly. This first step sets the personalization engine, so be accurate and move to the care plan selection next. Now select the program that matches your needs, coaching, supplements, or a doctor consult, so the app can map a clear path. After choosing, set measurable goals and a timeline, such as reducing symptoms by a target % or fixing sleep in 8 weeks, and schedule reminder times. This keeps you accountable. Review the app's medication or supplement recommendations, check suggested dosages, and pick ordering or delivery options. If prescriptions are needed, follow the in-app consult flow to complete the clinical review. Finish the setup by committing to daily tasks and logging progress, symptoms, adherence, side effects, so the app can adapt your plan. Once logged, use in-app messaging to ask clinicians questions or request refills. They review data and adjust treatment. Track trends on the dashboard and make small plan tweaks as advised. If something goes wrong, first check permissions and reconnect any health accounts. If problems persist, contact support with a screenshot and a brief description so they can escalate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.